Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of toy vehicles really arranged. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will hand drive all of these toy vehicles one by one with my hand. So at first is a RAB Jeep. Let's go. Friends, at first I parked here this RAB Jeep. This is very nice realistic model vehicles. This is a red and black color combination, this RAB Jeep. Next one is here a cartoony car. I parked here this cartoony car beside this RAB Jeep. See this car, this is a black, white and yellow color combination, this nice car. And now I will drive this DS Tarzan car. Let's go. Oh friends, I parked here this DS Tarzan car beside this cartoony car. See this DS Tarzan car, this is paste black and silver color combination, this nice car. And you can see here already three vehicles one by one hand drive and introduced with you. This one is a Noha police car. Let's go. I parked here this Noha police car beside this DS Tarzan car. This is very nice cartoony model. This car is a green, black and silver color combination. And now I will drive this fire truck. Let's go. I parked here this fire truck beside this Noha police car. See this fire truck, this is very nice and big, a white, black and red color combination, this nice fire truck. This is the last one, is a tourist bus here, so I will try this one also. Oh friends, I also parked here this tourist bus. This is very nice and realistic model, this tourist bus. This is red, black and silver color combination, this bus. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. And so friends, I hope you will like this video and you will subscribe to our channel. Tata, bye bye.